Think Plato just wrote philosophy? He also invented an alarm clock. Around 400 BCE, he needed a way to wake his students for early lectures, so he used water. Water dripped slowly between containers. As it rose, it pushed air into a narrow tube. When the pressure built up, the tube let out a sharp whistle. That was the alarm. It was simple, reliable, and loud enough to wake a sleepy student. Some versions even added a twist. You couldn't stop the alarm until you turned a key, a real wake-up call. It's the ancestor of your smartphone alarm, and it started with a philosopher. So next time your alarm rings, don't hit snooze, just whisper, "Thanks, Plato." Follow 60-Second Historian for more inventions you didn't know were ancient.